What if I told you that you do not need 7 business ideas to build 7 income streams? You only need one good idea used the right way. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you will see how one simple idea can become 7 different ways to earn money from home. Hi, my name is Mary. I am a stay-at-home mom of 3 boys. Not too long ago, I was exactly where you might be right now. My family was living on one income, and I knew the pressure that comes with trying to make everything work with rising costs, growing bills, and so many needs to take care of. I wanted to find something I could do to help my family financially, but I also wanted to be present for my children. I did not want to choose between being a good mom and creating an income. So I started searching for a way I could work from home. That journey is what led me to discover digital marketing and the many opportunities available online. At first, I was just trying to understand how people were building income from home. But the more I learned, the more I realized that one simple idea could be turned into many different income streams. In this video, I will show you 7 simple income streams that can grow from one idea. Some can help you earn sooner, while others can grow over time. You do not need to start with all 7. You just need to understand how they work together. If you want a simple guide to help you understand how this works, I created a free guide for you. You can find the link in the description below. This is the same training I used when I started my online business and learned the skills I am sharing with you in this video. To make everything easy to understand, I will use family meal planning as our example. I will show you how one simple topic can be turned into 7 different income streams. Now, let's start with the first one. The first income stream is visibility. This is where everything starts. If people do not know you, they cannot learn from you, they cannot trust you, or buy from you. Think of it like opening a small shop. If nobody walks past your shop, nobody will come inside. The same is true online. You need people to see you first. The good news is that you do not need thousands of followers to start. You only need to help real people with a real problem. You can use YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, or Instagram. Pick one platform and stay with it. Keep showing up. Every video or post is like planting a seed. The more seeds you plant, the more chances you have to grow. Let's use family meal planning as our example. If you love planning family meals, you could make videos like 5 easy dinners for busy moms. How to feed a family on a small budget. 1 week of simple meal ideas. How I save money on groceries every month. These are simple ideas that many families are looking for every day. As more people watch your videos, they begin to know you. They come back because your tips help them. Some share your videos with friends. Others leave comments and ask questions. Little by little, your audience grows. On YouTube, you can also earn money from ads after you meet the program rules. That means YouTube pays you because people watch your videos. But that is only the beginning. The real power is not just getting views. It is building trust. When people trust you, they are happy to learn more from you. They listen to your advice because they know you care about helping them. That is why visibility is the first income stream. It opens the door for every other income stream that comes next. But visibility alone doesn't pay the bills. Here's what happens once people start paying attention to you. The second income stream is affiliate marketing. This is one of the easiest ways to earn money after people start to trust you. Remember what we talked about in the last section. First, people find your videos. Then they keep coming back because your tips help them. Once people trust your recommendations, they are more likely to try the things you use and like. You do not need to make your own product. You simply share a product you believe is helpful. If someone buys it through your special link, you earn a small payment. Let's go back to our family meal planning example. Maybe you use a simple meal planner that helps you stay organized. Or you have a favorite lunchbox, food storage containers, or a cookbook that makes cooking easier. You can tell your audience why you like it and how it helps your family. If someone watches your video and decides to buy that same product using your link, you earn money. They get something useful and you get paid for the recommendation. It is a win for both of you. The most important thing is to be honest. Do not tell people to buy something just because it pays you. Share things you would truly use with your own family. Trust takes time to build, but it can be lost very quickly. You also do not need a huge audience. Even a small group of people can bring income if they trust you and find your advice helpful. That is why affiliate marketing works so well. It grows from the trust you built with your content. Your videos keep helping people, and some of those people choose to buy the products you recommend. But after a while, many creators ask the same question: what if I had my own product instead of only sharing someone else's? That is where the next income stream begins. The third income stream is digital products. After people have watched your videos for some time, many will want more help. Your free videos teach them a lot, but some people want something simple that saves them time. That is where a digital product comes in. A digital product is something people can buy and download. You make it one time, and you can sell it again and again. You do not need to pack boxes, keep products in your house, or pay for a store. There is no inventory to worry about. That means you can keep more of what you earn. Let's use our family meal planning example again. You could make a simple weekly meal planner that families can print at home. You could also create a grocery shopping list, a budget meal guide, or a 30-day family dinner plan. A busy mom might watch your videos and think, "This is helpful, but I wish I had everything in one place." So she buys your meal planner. Another mom buys the same planner the next day. Then someone else buys it the week after. It is the same product, but it can help many people. The best digital products are simple. They solve one small problem. They save people time, make life easier, or help them stay organized. You do not have to make something perfect. Start with one useful idea. Listen to the questions people ask in your comments. Those questions can tell you exactly what kind of product people want. As your audience grows, more people will find your videos. Some will enjoy your free content. Others will want the extra help your digital product gives them. This creates another income stream that works alongside your videos and your affiliate links. But some people don't just want a product, they want ongoing support. The fourth income stream is a community or membership. Some people are happy with a video. Others are happy with a digital product. But some people want more. They want a place where they can ask questions, learn with others, and keep growing. That is why a community can become a strong income stream. Instead of buying something one time and leaving, people choose to stay because they enjoy the help, the support, and the friendships they build. They pay again each month because they see value in being part of the group. Let's go back to our family meal planning example. You could have a private group where members share easy dinner ideas, budget shopping tips, and simple recipes. Every week you could post a new meal plan, answer questions, or do a live video to help everyone stay on track. People are not only joining for the meal plans. They are joining because they know they are not doing it alone. I remember reading about one member in an online community who said the best part was not the lessons. They said the best part was having people who understood their journey and kept cheering them on when they wanted to give up. That was their experience, but it shows why community matters so much. When people feel welcome, they often stay longer. They trust you more because you keep showing up and helping them. A community also gives you a chance to learn what people need. You hear their questions. You see their struggles. That helps you create even better videos, products, and ideas in the future. This income stream is different because it is built on connection, not just a sale. People come because they want support, and they stay because they feel they belong. But even inside a great community, some people will want more personal help. They will want someone to guide them step by step. That is where the next income stream begins. The fifth income stream is one-on-one help or a done-with-you service. Not everyone wants to learn by themselves. Some people want someone to sit with them, answer their questions, and help them step by step. This is a more personal way to help. You do not need to be the best in the world. You only need to know enough to help someone who is a few steps behind you. I learned this from a simple experience. Before I ever thought about charging for my time, I helped a friend with something I already knew. We sat together, talked through the problem, and made a simple plan. At the end, my friend smiled and said, "You made this so much easier to understand." That showed me something important. Sometimes people are not paying for more information. They are paying for clear help, support, and someone to walk with them. Let's go back to our family meal planning example. Maybe someone has watched all your videos. They have your meal planner. They are part of your community. But they still need help planning meals for their own family and budget. You could spend 1 hour with them online. Together, you could build a meal plan that fits their week, their budget, and their family. That kind of help is worth more because it is made just for them. You should never feel like you have to push people into buying. If someone is happy with your free videos, that is wonderful. If they want more help, you can simply let them know it is available. That is how this income stream grows. It starts with helping people. Then, as trust grows, some people choose to work with you more closely. And after helping people one by one, you may start to wonder, is there a way to help even more people without giving all of my time? That is exactly what the next income stream is about. The sixth income stream is a local or in-person business that works together with your online audience. Many people think you must choose one or the other. You either work online or you work in your town. But you can do both. Your online content helps people find you. Then, some of those people may want to meet you, learn from you, or buy from you in person. This is something I understand very well. Before I started learning about online business, I opened a restaurant. It did not work out the way I hoped, and I lost money. But I do not see those days as wasted. They taught me how to serve customers, plan meals, manage food, and solve problems. Those are skills I still have today. The business ended, but the lessons stayed with me. Let's go back to our family meal planning example. Maybe people in your town enjoy your videos. You could hold a small class where you teach busy families how to plan meals for the week. You could sell ready-made meal planners at a local market. You could even offer a simple meal planning day at a community center. Your online audience helps people know who you are. Your local work gives them another way to learn from you. This can also help people who like meeting someone face-to-face. Not everyone wants to learn only through a screen. The best part is that each side helps the other. Your online videos can bring people to your local events. Your local customers can tell their friends to watch your videos. You are not starting two different businesses. You are building one business in two different places. That is why this income stream is so powerful. It lets you use the skills you already have while reaching even more people. In the next section, I will show you the final income stream that can keep working for you, even when you are not creating something new every day. The seventh income stream is the one that made all the others possible. It is learning the right skills first. Everything I showed you in this video did not happen because I was lucky. It started because I decided to learn. Before that, I spent a long time looking for ways to make money online. I saw many promises. I almost believed some of them. Looking back, I am thankful I did not lose more money on scams. Then one day, I was watching a TikTok live by Joyce. She talked about building an online business in a simple way. It was the first time I felt like someone was speaking to people like me. I wanted to join the program she shared, but I did not have the money. So I made a hard choice. I sold my fridge so I could pay for it. It was scary. I did not know what would happen. I only knew I wanted to give my family a better future. When I started the lessons, I learned much more than I expected. I learned how to make content. I learned how to help people online. I learned how to build an audience, recommend helpful products, create digital products, grow a community, and understand how different income streams work together. That is why I say every stream I just walked you through, I learned how to build because of this one decision. I am still growing. I am still learning every day. But now I have a clear path instead of guessing what to do next. If you are where I used to be, feeling confused and wondering where to start, I believe learning is the best first step. Skills stay with you. They can open doors again and again. Everything else grows from that one choice. Now you can see why building more than one income stream is so powerful. These streams do not fight each other. They work together. Each one helps the next one grow. But if you are just starting, please do not try to build all 7 at once. That can feel too hard. Start with the first stream. Make helpful content. Learn the skills. Build trust. Then add the next stream when you are ready. Small steps can lead to big results. Today we covered visibility, affiliate marketing, digital products, community, one-on-one help, local or in-person business, and the education that made all of them possible. You do not need to be perfect. You do not need to know everything today. You only need to take the first step and keep learning. If you want a simple guide to help you get started, download my free checklist from the link below. It will help you understand these 7 income streams and show you what to do first. If this video helped you, please leave a comment and tell me which income stream you want to start with. I would love to hear from you. And don't forget to subscribe so you do not miss the next video. Thank you so much for spending your time with me today. I know what it feels like to wonder if life can get better. I know what it feels like to start with fear and many questions. That is why I make these videos. No matter where you are today, you do not have to walk this journey by yourself. I will see you in the next video.